Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Taunton, and I'm going to show you around this 2008 SUV in the Allure specification. So this car comes with 16-inch alloy wheels, there's tinted rear windows and reverse parking sensors. Inside the car you've got a half leather interior. The touchscreen features DAB digital radio, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and Bluetooth. On top of this you get dual zone air conditioning, there's automatic headlights and wipers and cruise control with a speed limiter. So let's have a look around. This car's got the 1.2 litre PureTech engine that gives you 82 horsepower, done under 9,000 miles, and if it's of interest to you then please get in contact with us at Howard's Peugeot in Taunton. Thank you.